After the second of the 6 days of creation was over, Elohim said, "The waters under the sky, let them be gathered into a single space. The dry land, let it appear." So did it happen. The waters under the sky were gathered into a single place. The dry land appeared. Elohim called the dry land earth and called the collected waters sea. Elohim saw how good it was. Elohim said, "Let the land become green with verdant grass, with seed-bearing plant and fruit-bearing tree, forming fruit of every kind, their proper seed within, upon the land." So did it happen. The land yielded verdant grass, seed-bearing fruit of every kind, and fruit-bearing tree, yielding seed within of every kind. Elohim saw how good it was. There was evening, there was morning of day 3. This creation narrative is divided into 2 parts, and both contain the phrases, Elohim said, so did it happen, Elohim saw how good it was. In the first half, God says that the planet should take shape, and so did it happen that the planet took shape. God saw how good the terraformed planet was. In the second half, God says that the flora should come to life. So did it happen that plants came to life. God saw how good the plant life was. These 2 halves are not absolutely separate from each other. God did not create an absolute barrier between land and sea. There is plant life in the sea as well as on the land. The root system of the land plants break down rock and turn it into soil, thus helping to terraform the earth. Some of that soil erodes into the rivers and builds the deltas, transforming sea into land. So the earth did not stop taking shape when plants appeared. The 2 halves of the narrative are not a before and after proposition. To God, who is eternal, all things are simultaneous. God is sovereign over us and not bound by the framework he has placed over the finite creatures of this world. But how beautiful is the plant life of this world. Even God finds it so. How beautiful is our planet. Even God finds it so. God said so on the first Tuesday ever. Next time we will take a look at what happened on the very first Wednesday.